Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a method by which you can block incoming and outgoing connections from your Mac. For this you have to download an application by the name of Lulu for Mac. It is an open source application developed by Objective-C. It's a free to download application. After opening the zip file, click on the Lulu installer app, click open and click on install. It will ask you for your password, enter your password and install the helper. Now this installer will install the Lulu application. Please allow the extension to work. Switch to General tab, click on allow and close. It will take a couple of minutes to install depending on your Mac configuration. Click on next. Now it is asking you to restart your Mac. Close your opened applications and click on restart. So after restarting the Mac, we can see Lulu is now installed, and here we can see a dialog. Click on next. Allow Apple programs, allow already installed applications, next. As you can see, Lulu is now installed and here are the applications. Default, Apple, third party, so you can choose which applications to block and which applications to allow. As you can see, Lulu is trying to access the internet and it informed us for its accessing as well. So you can select either block, allow temporarily, so we allow the Lulu to access. Click on add rule, process path, browse. We need to block this application and let's lock Camtasia. So as you can see here, Camtasia 2019 is blocked. You can change the rule by right clicking over it. That's it for today guys. Try this application on your own system, and if any problem persists, let me know in the comment section. And please hit the subscribe button and like button if you like the video.